Darwin platform group of companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe from multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines and many other sectors.
Adani stocks are trading with deep cuts in trade today. In fact, all the 10 Adani Group stocks from Ports to Enterprises to Total Gas and to Adani Wilmar, and even the cement stocks ACC and Ambuja are trading with huge losses ranging from 5 to even 13% in trade today. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Patra, and in this video I'm going to be telling you what is impacting the Adani Group stocks today and also what are experts saying. How should you be looking at trading and investing in them amid these deep cuts that are coming in? Should you look at it as an opportunity to buy into some stocks, and then which are the top stocks that you should be looking at adding? All of it coming up. First up, Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises are among the top 5 losers on the Nifty already. Adani Enterprises is trading with losses of over 5 to 6%. Adani Ports is down about 5% as well. The other Adani stocks like Adani Total Gas, Adani Green Energy, Adani Wilmar, ACC and Ambuja Cements are also trading with significant losses as well, ranging up to 13% in trade today. In fact, with today's drop, all the Adani Group stocks have cumulatively lost 90,000 crore rupees in market capitalization so far in trade today. Now, the shares of Adani Enterprises are down for the 7th day in a row. You will also be surprised to know while those of Adani Ports have already shed 8% in the last 2 trading sessions alone. Adani Green Energy shares have tumbled 13% in trade, and this is despite the $409 million of fundraising via bonds that the company has announced. In fact, this is the biggest single-day drop for the shares of Adani Green Energy that we have witnessed in 2024 so far. Now, this is despite Adani Group firm disclosing that Adani Green Energy, also Parampucha Solar Energy Private Limited and Pratnya Developers Private Limited have together raised this $409 million by allotment of US dollar denominated senior secured notes. These bonds will get listed on the Indian International Exchange, that is IFSC Limited as well. So why are the stocks really falling? Well, all of it has to do with the general sentiment of the markets today, which is a deep cut that you can see. The Nifty is down 250 points and there is a deeper pain in the mid and the small caps that's panning out. The mid and the small cap indices are down anywhere between 2.5 to even 3.5–4% as well. So it's a larger downtake, profit booking, selling pressure on the upside that the entire market is facing on a trade today. So that is a bigger reason because of which the entire Adani Group basket has come under pressure. So they are declining in line with the pain in the broader markets, where the mid and the small caps have declined over about 3% each. Both the broader market indices are down for the 3rd day in a row. The small cap index is in fact lost about 12% from its peak levels as well. Mid caps have been consistently falling as well. So that is the key reason. There is no individual reason because of which the Adani Group stocks are falling, and this is a good thing that the Adani Group stocks do not have fundamentally to worry about a new pain point being generated. It's a larger market sentiment. The question is, what should you as investors do? In case you already have exposure to Adani stocks, then what should you do? And in case you are looking at these fresh dips as an opportunity, then which are the stocks that you should look at? You can actually see on your screen a number of stocks that are down 5, 6, 7%, 10% and 13% in trade today. Well, we did speak to experts. Vineet Bulinchkar of Ventura Securities has a bullish view on the Adani Group stocks. They have suggested some of the stocks even have a potential for 50% upside, especially for Adani Energy Solutions. from a 2-year horizon perspective. So these dips, they say, in case you really need to take the benefit of this dip, Adani Energy Solutions is what they are betting big on. They are saying 50% of an upside is what you can expect over the next 2 years. Now, this brokerage house feels power transmission and distribution sector in India is set for an expansion. They are being supported by favorable policy environments, substantial capacity enhancements as well, and also increased openings for the private sector involvement via the tariff-based competitive bidding as well. So these are some of the factors that are benefiting the power space, and therefore the energy space and the power space is where they are interested in. What has Ventura said? They have valued Adani Energy Solutions at 17 times EV to EBITDA. They've recommended a buy with a target price of 1600 rupees on Adani, which actually represents an upside potential of almost 50% from the current market price where the stock has been trading at. So this is their top bet in the Adani Group stocks amid this fall. Ventura Securities has also mentioned that the Indian government is expected to open bidding for 10 lakh crore rupees worth of power transmission lines over the next 10 years, and that could be an added advantage to such stocks. Apart from Adani Energy Solutions, Ventura Securities also believes that these dips should be bought in Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports as well. Those are the other two stocks that they are bullish on apart from Adani Energy Solutions. So top 3 stocks that they have bet big on: Adani Energy Solutions, where they see a potential upside of 50%, Adani Enterprises, the flagship company of the Adani Group, and Adani Ports as well. These are the 3 stocks that they believe investors should concentrate their focus in as far as the opportunities of dips are concerned on the Adani Group stocks. So that's as far as the movement on the Adani stocks is concerned. Do stay tuned on to Business Today TV as we continue to get you more coverage around the key segments where you can continue to find value amid these dips and corrections in the markets. Many thanks for tuning in.